Alright, what's going on, Central Vapors? Back at you with another review. This is the SMOK MICO kit. This year, mods have been getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and SMOK has came out with several small ones. This one is going to be a little different in profile. And yeah, let's pop it out of the box, what's in the package, and so forth. Now, this comes with 2 tanks. I already started priming this one, put some juice in it for the video. It does come with 2 tanks, a sub-ohm tank at 0.8 and a 1.0. So if you're going to use your salt nicks, you want to go with a 1.0 tank. If you're going to go with regular PGVG, you want to use your sub-ohm. Also, underneath that in the box, there's going to be this paper. You get your little carrying cord, right, little lanyard for it, as well as a charger cord. This is a USB micro USB. Now to fire this thing up, it is draw activated. You don't have to push any buttons or anything, and I believe this is magnetic, so there is a little magnet that holds your tank in. And yeah, let's give it a couple of rips. This does have an on-off button, right? So you push this up, you're gonna get your 3 light indication, and now it should be on, and then you can do that and then turn it off. Now, I do have one of these that I've used at home that is not this one, and what you're gonna notice is the actual vent, whenever the carb is the charging port. So if you're gonna hold this thing and put your finger, like, don't hold it like that, don't put your pinky under it, I'll get all classy, because you're gonna restrict the airflow. And if you're trying to restrict the airflow, that's how you do it. So let's give this the rip and see what kind of cloud it puts out. Fairly impressive out of a small little mod. Now, this light indicator, when you're above 70%, it's going to be green. When you're below 70%, it's going to be yellow. I think at 30, it turns red. This has a 700 milliamp hour battery, right? It also has a 1.7 milliliter tank. This retails on our website for $18.95. And yeah, it's a really impressive mod for the size. This really compares well to the Vape Nano Drag that we've also reviewed. Now, the difference is going to be the finish, as well as the Nano by Vape and has a 750 milliamp hour battery. This one has 700, but the SMOK comes with a bigger tank. So I'd say these 2 are competitors. They'd go head to head. I can't tell you which one would win. It depends on the finish you're looking for and how big you like your tanks. Now, let's give these, I'm gonna go drag for drag and see which one puts out a bigger cloud. Pretty good out of the Vape. Let's hit the SMOK. I think SMOK's putting out a bigger cloud. Let's try this again. I'll let you guys decide. Well, that's it for the SMOK MICO, and you can check them out on our website. Really impressive little device, whether you're smoking PGVG or salt nic.